victory.
This is Liam from LWLC Crew Reviews doing a review on my Specialized LA 2010 model. First impression, great entry-level bike, really tough, decent components. The only con to it is it isn't very light. It weighs 22 pounds, which isn't the greatest for a road bike. The components are Shimano 2300 thumb shifters and brake levers with Tektro brake assembly. The fork is Specialized carbon fact. Front derailleur is Shimano 2300, crankset Shimano 2300, Shimano clipless pedals, Shimano 2300 cassette, Shimano 2300 derailleur, Tektro brakes, and the rims are Alex Rim S500 rims with a Specialized turbo tire on the front and a Specialized Mondo tire in the... You know what? I got the tires mixed up, didn't I?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
The rims are Alex Rim S500 rims with a turbo tire in the back and a Specialized Mondo tire in the front. All the bars, stem, head tube, and seat post, seat clamp, and seat are all Specialized, along with Specialized water bottle cages, which were put on after market. That's FSA actually, isn't it? No, just...
Keep on talking.
Alright.
Alright. Keep on talking.
Having said that, are the bikes...
Yeah, we're gonna